Changsha Honchon Technology Company Limited was established in 2016 and is located in Changsha, Hunan Province, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. We are specialized in dental materials. Honchon has rich experience in dental industry. Our main products include dental zirconia block, glass ceramic blank, dental PMMA disc, and dental milling burrs. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet customer requirements. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. Experienced sales staff are always available to discuss customer requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standard and European standard. Honchon Smile products are also exported to clients in more than 50 countries, such as USA, UK, Spain, France, Japan, Russia. We also welcome OEM orders. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, high-quality products, and competitive prices. Hope we can establish good and long business relationship with you, especially Honchon dealer cooperation. Honchon's philosophy is unity, efficiency, integrity, and win-win. To achieve global customers is our tenet. We warmly welcome customers from abroad to cooperate with us for common success.